Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. Today we're doing a Dutch pour. Let's go! Here's the colors I'll be using. I made this base color of turquoise. And then we have Prussian blue, dioxazine purple, iridescent gold, titanium white, and neon pink. Alright, let's go. This is an 18 by 24 deep edge canvas. I'll spread this on and we'll come back. Alright, as I'm laying my paints out, I wanted to say August from August Acrylic Art was up first, and then Tanya with Creations with Tanya. And we appreciate all of you coming to the tag team on Mondays. We enjoy it, and I'll just ask that you give me some grace on this Dutch pour because I haven't done one in over a year. So I had fun with it, but it definitely took a lot of work, and I did see that the way I hold my blow dryer was all wrong. As I'm filming, or as I'm watching it back, it's like, oh girl, what was you doing with that blow dryer? But I work with it until I get what I'm happy with. So I'll let you watch. I'll put on some music.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Watching this back, I have to laugh because I definitely was holding the blow dryer all wrong, and I definitely need to get back into practice with this again. I should have had the blow dryer upside down, and I'm just blowing right at it, and that's why the paint was going over top of my colors. But, when you're out of practice, you're out of practice. So I will definitely be giving this a go again. The funny part is that I didn't even realize, like, that what I was doing all wrong until I watched it back. And then it's like, well, silly, look at how you're holding that blow dryer. Oh, but it's so much fun anyway. And I end up happy with the results, so I think that's what matters. But I just keep working it. I don't give up. I just keep going and going and going until I'm satisfied. Well, I definitely think that I need to revisit the blow dryer. Although I am happy with the results. So, first try in over a year. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate you being here. And have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.